Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making chicken pumpkin soup. I'm gonna add this pumpkin to my pot. Irish and some carrot. I'm going to add my chicken to my soup. I'm gonna add corn also. I'm going to add my yam, my peppers. My dumpling, that's my dumpling. I'm gonna add some pimento seed to my soup. This soup. I'm gonna add pepper, a piece of thyme. So, nice. Hot soup. Hot soup. And I like to add my seasoner, my all-purpose seasoner to whatever I'm cooking. The soup is finished cooked.